Hi guys, subscribe to my channel to never ever miss out any of the learning videos about stock market. Okay, so in this video, we'll be talking about a best candlestick pattern for doing an intraday trading. So as you guys know, there's a lot of candlestick patterns if you search on the internet. Okay, like hammer, bullish engulfing, bearish engulfing, and a lot of other things. Okay, but in this video, I'll be telling you one candlestick pattern which works good for the intraday trading and which is reliable. Okay, I'll be showing you with some examples also, and I'll be telling you when to use and when not to use this pattern. Okay, and what stock you should select to trade this pattern. Okay, so watch this video till the end to get all the information regarding this. Okay, and if you're liking the content of my channel, a subscribe to my channel would be amazing. And also, if you're new to the stock market trading, if you're having losses and want to recover your losses and want to learn how to make money consistently in intraday trading, you can join my course today. So guys, I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is trading0.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money consistently, and people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers. And if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. So once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading, and also if you're new to stock market trading, I'll be guiding you from the basics to make you earn consistent profit. Okay, so you can go through all of these feedback messages and earning proof. So if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to start making consistent profit like this, you can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also, these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators, and also I'll be teaching you how to pick the stocks every day, and a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. That is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk-free trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. So guys, by being said that, now let me teach you the pattern itself, how it is. So this is an inside bar candle. Okay, so the candlestick pattern what I'm talking today is about an inside bar candlestick pattern. So first I'll show you how the pattern is. Okay, and then I'll explain you with some live examples so that you will understand it in a correct way. Okay, so watch the video till the end, don't miss any part of it so that you will be understood clearly. So this is the candle how it looks. Okay, so this is the candlestick pattern how it looks first. So you will have two candlestick bar for this. That will be, one will be the presiding bar which we call as an main candlestick, and next is inside bar. Okay, so now you should see a pattern forming like this, that is one candlestick with a big body and another candlestick which is inside that previous candlestick. Okay, as you're seeing in this image here. Okay, so hope you got the clear idea once you see this image. Okay, now I'll show you some of the examples so that you will understand it more easily. So now let's talk about how to select the stock for this candlestick pattern. Okay, and what is the time frame you need to keep. So guys, the time frame what to keep for this candlestick pattern for trading is 15 minutes candlestick pattern. Got it? And the stock what you have to select is any stock above 150 rupees and which will give good movement, okay, from Nifty 50. Got it? So now let me show you how this strategy works. Okay, so here I have found this candlestick pattern has been formed here, as you guys can see. So this is an SBIN chart of 29th of January, and around 1 o'clock you can see here one main candlestick has been formed, and next to that inside candlestick has been formed here. Okay, so this will match for our strategy, that is inside bar strategy. Now what you have to do is mark the high and low of the main candle. Okay, that is the preceding candle. You have to mark the high and low of it. Now don't trade the high and low. Okay, don't trade the breakout. Now what you have to do is you have to trade the breakout given candle. Okay, for example, let me show you how this will help you to avoid the false breakout. Okay, this is the high and this is the low. Here as you guys can see, the low has been got broken by this candle. Now what you have to do is you have to take a trade once this candle low breaks. Okay, this is the main preceding candle low is 280.75. so here I can see 280.50 is a low made by this candle. Once this 280.50 breaks, then only you need to take a trade. So here the false breakout has been avoided, you are not into trade. Okay, now let's see in the buy side what has happened. So in the buy side you have got a trade. Okay, so 283.50 is a high made, and the breakout given candle has made a high of 284.50. Now what you will do is once this 284.50 breaks, then you will buy it. Okay, so here as you can see, it went all the way up till 288.50, like more than 1% has been achieved here. Okay, so this is how you trade this breakout candle. Okay, so don't simply trade the breakout of the high and low. So wait for the breakout given candle to break its own high or low and then take a trade. So if you're doing a short sell, wait for the low side to give a breakout, and if you're going for a buy side, wait for the high to breakout and then take a entry. Got it? And now let me show you some of the example for which you should not consider, like when you should not use this candlestick pattern. Okay, so let me show you some of the example for that also, so that you'll get a clear idea. So here is an example of when not to use. So as you guys can see here is an inside bar which has formed. Okay, so yes, it is matching the image what I've shown you, I mean the candlestick pattern. Inside bar has been formed, but you should not consider this. So why you should not consider this? You should not consider any main candle which is having more than 1%. Okay, so as you can see, this candlestick is having more than 1% change, so don't consider that. So within 1% candle change only you should consider. Okay, so this is having 1.20% change. Okay, so how you can check that? You can check it easily by seeing the high and low of a candle. Okay, so the low is 298.85 and the high is 302.50, so it is more than 1%. So don't consider this setup to trade, so ignore this. Okay, so you should see that main candle should be within 1%. Got it? So when it is within 1%, then you can consider to trade. And also coming to a target and stop loss, you can keep an target up to 1% and stop loss up to 0.5%. Okay, or if you usually want to book the profit, you can keep 0.5% target also, that will be safe. Okay, and also follow according to the market trend also. Got it? And wait for the correct formation to form, and this candlestick formation will be found in once or twice in one single stock, not more than that. There are many other candlestick pattern which forms repetitively, but that won't work as accurate as this has I've been observing. Okay, but this candlestick patterns perform really decent in live market, so you can check this in live market and let me know how you feel about it. Okay, and if you guys like this video, do give a like for this video, and also you guys can go inside my channel and watch all the other videos. There are a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips, and a lot of things in my channel. So watch all of these things and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. And also every day I upload like how much profit we made on what stock we traded with the profit proof every single day. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this, you can join us now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.